Hello students, I'm Paul Verdicto. In today's class, we are going to see about file formats in multimedia. Do you know all the components of multimedia are available in different formats? All the text files that you read, it may look the same, but it could be of different file format. Do you understand now? Still confusing? So let me give an example. Here you could see 3 drawings of flowers. They all look the same, but they are not of the same nature. The first drawing is a color pencil drawing, the second one is a crayon drawing, and the third one is an oil painting. They all could be called as drawing, but they are not of the same nature. The same theory could be applied for all the components of multimedia also. A text, a video, an audio could look the same, but it will not fall under the same format. So now we know there are different file formats in multimedia. So let's discuss about the various file formats of multimedia components. Text files are of 2 different formats. One is rich text format and the another one is plain text. Rich text format. It is a primary file format introduced in the year 1987 by Microsoft. The major advantage of this text format is it supports cross-platform. Do you wonder what a cross-platform is? Have you ever received this message from your system? The file format is not supported. Whenever you try to open a file, you would have noticed this message. That means that particular file cannot be opened with the software that you have in your devices. But if your text file is of this format, rich text format, you can open it in any application. Like if you have created Microsoft Office, you could open it even with LibreOffice. It is a cross-platform document. Plain text. Plain text files could be opened, read and edited by any text editor. Text editors like Notepad could be used to open it and edit it. The text that you find in your email is a type of plain text. Image formats. Image formats are of 7 types. TIFF, BMP, DIB, GIF, JPEG, TGA and PNG. So let's see the code box to remember this easily. Ta-da! Here's the code. January to December, girl's birthday party. J, 2, T, D, G, B, P. J for JPEG. And the 2 represents there are 2 T's. One is TIFF and another one is TGA. D for DIF, G for GIF, B for BMP and P for PNG. This is the code to remember all the image formats. TIFF, Tagged Image File Format. TIFF is the most commonly used image format in desktop publishing. Because of its high quality output, it is being used in desktop publishing. It is supported by all softwares of desktop publishing. So, all the people who design magazines, books, they use this image format commonly. Even large files of TIFF can be transferred easily between computers. BMP, Bitmap. This image file format was initially used only by Windows 3.1. Bitmap files are usually large. These files are not compressible because if it is compressed, it will lose its quality. Map file format is generally used with files with high resolution and large size. DIB, Device Independent Bitmap. DIB is so similar to Bitmap, but unlike Bitmap, it doesn't depend on the device for color information. Usually, bitmap images gets all the color information from the devices to display the image. But these DIB images are not like that. They have the ability to display images with color information on their own. And this advantage allows DIB images to be displayed in different devices. GIF, Graphics Interchange Format. GIF is a compressed image format. You can look at the example. Even though the object in the center looks clear, at the corners you could see the image being compressed. You could notice the broken pixels at the corners of the image. GIF is best suitable for graphics which use only limited colors, and it is the most popular format used for online color photos. GIF has a 13-bit color lookup table which is used by GIF to know color values. JPEG, Joint Photographic Experts Group. In JPEG images, maximum compression could be attained. It uses lossy compression techniques. That means some amount of data of the image will be lost during compression, but still the image will look with perfect quality. Because of this advantage, it is being used in most of the photographs, live drawings, and simple cartoons. TGA, Tagra image file formats are mainly famous for their ability to produce high-resolution images. Because of this ability, it is being used by most of the video capture boards. PNG, Portable Network Graphics. It is a less loss file format. During compression, only less amount of details will be removed from the images of this file format. It is best suitable for all online viewing applications. It is a widely used image format in online streaming. Audio formats. Audio formats are of 6 types: WAV, MP3, OCG, WMA, RA, and AIFF. Let's check the code box. Ta-da! Here's the code. MO2 war, Motu war. In Hindi, Motu means someone who looks chubby. So, this is a way to remember our code. Chubby war, Motu war. Here, M represents MP3, O represents OCG, and the 2 represents 2 W words. One is WAV and another one is WMV, and A for AIFF and R for RA. WAV, Waveform Audio File Format. This file format is generally used in Windows. It is best known for storing uncompressed sound files. In case of reducing size, it could be converted to MP3. MP3, MPEG Layer 3 format. I'm quite sure you must have heard this word MP3 before, because it is the most popular audio file format. It is widely used because of its less size. The size of this file will be 1/10 of WAV files. OCG. It is an open source container format file. It is mainly designed for better streaming at high-end multimedia applications. In quality, it could be compared to MP3. Audio interchange file format. This file format is specifically used by Apple devices. WMA, Window Media Audio. This audio file format is owned by Microsoft, and it is designed with DRM abilities, which means digital right management abilities. Every audio file designed in this file format will get copyright protection. Real audio format. Real audio format is of high quality, and it is mainly designed for streaming audio over internet. Video format. AVI, MPEG. AVI, Audio Video Interleave. This video file format is supported by Windows. Here, the picture and sounds are stored in alternate interleave chunks. Alternate interleave chunks model means here the memory blocks will be divided into number of modules, and all the pictures and sounds of the file will be saved on those modules. MPEG, Moving Picture Exports Group. This is the most commonly used video file format for generating audio and video. It has multiple groups. MPEG 1, it is used in CDs and MP3. MPEG 2, TV and DVD. MPEG 4, Web and Multimedia. MPEG 7, is used for audio and visual content. And that's all for today's class. For more videos on 12th standard computer applications, subscribe and follow Hard Drive. Thank you.